Thank you. Good afternoon. We've seen some rain pushing in over the last couple of hours. It's moving away now. Perhaps some late brightness before dusk across the Isle of Man, Cumbrian coast. Pretty gusty winds, and temperatures this afternoon are around average or just above. But as we head through into this evening, under clear skies dipping away, then cloud will build, showers will move in, and by the end of the night from the west, another spell of rain is likely to push in before dawn. Wet and windy weather to start Saturday across the board. We have a yellow warning in place from the Met Office. If you have to travel tomorrow, do take care. It's going to be very unsettled and windy. That rain turning to showers. Hello, a very good afternoon to you. A milder day across the UK and initially a dry start for many of us, but as we can see on the latest satellite and radar image, a band of rain across western parts of the UK will begin to work its way eastwards across England and Wales this afternoon. One or two heavy bursts, behind it brighter skies with a bit of sunshine before dusk in the west. A mild day today, and as we head through into this evening, gradually that rain pushing eastwards and away, leading to clear skies to start the night, but cloud builds from the west before dawn, and rain will move into Northern Ireland, western Scotland and later on Northern England and Wales by the time we reach Saturday morning, accompanied by increasingly gusty winds. Weather warnings in place for tomorrow. If you have to travel, do take care. Northern and western areas will bear the brunt of some very strong gale force winds at times. Showers for many parts of the UK through the day tomorrow. A bit of brightness, and it's mild until tomorrow night. Bye-bye. Hello again, a very good evening to you. An unsettled weekend weather-wise ahead, with gales in places over the next couple of days. Increasingly colder weather moving in with the risk of some sleet and snow to start Sunday, and showers will feature on both days with some of these rather heavy. Low pressure in charge of our weather, and as we can see through tonight and into tomorrow, isobars tightening up across the UK. A spell of rain accompanied by increasingly strong winds across northern and western areas through the day tomorrow, and for many western parts through Sunday, means it's likely to be difficult out on the roads, with travel disruption likely quite widely over the next couple of days or so. Into this evening, rain clears the southeast, dry and quiet for a time before cloud builds and rain moves into Northern Ireland, western Scotland, and by the end of the night moving into Northern England and Wales, some of it rather heavy, accompanied by increasingly gusty winds before dawn, but milder air moving in across the board as we approach Saturday morning. A wet start to the day for those western areas, rain pushing its way eastwards and turning more showery. Through the morning, some very strong gale force winds will tend to develop across northern and western areas, leading to disruption through the course of the day. A showery picture for many tomorrow afternoon, and on the whole it's mild, but during tomorrow night colder air will dig in, winds remain very strong, and it's likely through Sunday morning there'll be snow at both higher and lower levels to start the day. Very strong winds for northern and western areas through Sunday itself, and feeling colder across the board with showers to end the weekend. Bye-bye. Hello again, welcome to the weekend. It is going to be very unsettled. If you have to travel over the next couple of days, do keep an eye on the warnings. Very windy conditions both tomorrow and Sunday, with spells of rain around. Turning colder into Sunday itself, the likelihood of some snow on higher ground to start the day. But next week, looking a good deal milder and more settled as we approach Christmas Day itself. In the meantime, tonight starting dry but cloud building, and rain will be moving in from the west before dawn, accompanied by some rather gusty winds which will increase in strength through the day. Tomorrow, pretty mild conditions as we end the night, and the sun will be rising at 8:27, setting at 3:52. Tomorrow afternoon. A wet and increasingly windy day tomorrow. Do take care, particularly on the region's higher routes. Some strong gusts. Rain being replaced by showers through the afternoon, but it remains very windy tomorrow night, and again on Sunday. A mild day tomorrow, but through tomorrow night colder air will dig in, and this will turn showers to snow, particularly up on higher ground to start the day on Sunday. Very windy conditions to end the weekend, but a little milder and more settled next week. Bye-bye.